When it comes to choosing the best windows for your Washington, D.C. home, the decision is more than just about aesthetics. Windows play a crucial role in the comfort, energy efficiency, and security of your home. Whether you're building a new home, replacing old windows, or upgrading to more energy-efficient models, selecting the right windows is an important investment. Washington, D.C. homeowners face unique challenges due to the city's climate, diverse architectural styles, and a range of housing options from historic row houses to modern condos. Here's a guide to help you choose the best windows for your Washington, D.C. home, considering factors such as style, functionality, energy efficiency, and more. Consider your home's architectural style. One of the first steps in choosing the right windows for your Washington, D.C. home is considering the architectural style of your property. Washington, D.C. boasts a variety of architectural designs, from historic brownstones and row houses to modern, minimalist homes. The windows you select should complement the overall style of your home. Historic or traditional homes. For older homes in neighborhoods like Capitol Hill or Georgetown, preserving the traditional look is important. You may want to opt for windows that mimic the original design, such as double-hung windows or casement windows with classic wood frames. Some homeowners may even prefer windows with a historical look that includes divided light patterns, also known as grilles, or decorative sashes. Modern homes. For contemporary or mid-century modern homes, large, sleek, and energy-efficient windows that allow for plenty of natural light and open sightlines are often ideal. Picture windows or large casement windows with minimalist frames might be the perfect choice to complement a more modern aesthetic. Energy efficiency. Washington, D.C. experiences a variety of weather conditions, with hot, humid summers and cold, snowy winters. To maintain a comfortable indoor environment year-round and lower your energy bills, it's important to choose windows that offer excellent insulation. Energy-efficient windows will help keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter by preventing air from leaking in or out. When selecting energy-efficient windows, look for the following features. Double or triple pane glass. Windows with double or triple glazing, multiple layers of glass, provide better insulation by trapping air between the panes, which reduces heat loss and helps regulate temperature. Low E coatings. Low emissivity, low E coatings on windows can help reduce heat transfer and protect your home from harmful UV rays. These coatings improve energy efficiency by reflecting heat back into the home in winter and blocking heat from entering in the summer. Argon or krypton gas fill. Some energy-efficient windows have argon or krypton gas between the panes, which provides additional insulation and helps to reduce energy costs. Consider durability and materials. The material of your windows plays a major role in their performance, maintenance, and overall aesthetic. When choosing the best windows for your home, consider the climate, how much maintenance you're willing to do, and your desired look. Some common materials for windows include wood. Wood windows have a classic look and offer great insulation, but they require more maintenance to prevent rotting and warping. They may be a great choice for traditional style homes or historic renovations in D.C. Vinyl. Vinyl windows are durable, energy efficient, and low maintenance. They are resistant to moisture, making them a good choice for homes in DC where humidity levels can be high. Vinyl windows are a great option for homeowners who want an affordable and efficient solution. Fiberglass. Fiberglass windows are highly durable, resistant to temperature changes, and offer excellent energy efficiency. They require little maintenance and are available in a wide range of styles and finishes. Fiberglass windows can be a great choice if you're looking for a long-lasting, low-maintenance solution. Aluminum. Aluminum windows are strong and durable but tend to be less energy efficient than vinyl or fiberglass. If you choose aluminum windows, consider models with a thermal break to improve energy efficiency. Functionality and ventilation. When choosing windows for your home, think about how you want them to operate. Certain window types are better suited for specific needs, such as ventilation or ease of cleaning. Double-hung windows. These classic windows are highly versatile and allow for easy ventilation since both sashes can be opened. They are ideal for homes that want a traditional look with excellent functionality. Casement windows. Casement windows open outward with a crank, providing excellent ventilation and a clear, unobstructed view. They are particularly useful in spaces where you want to maximize airflow, such as kitchens or living rooms. Sliding windows. Sliding windows are easy to operate and often work well in spaces where you want a larger window that doesn't require swinging open. They're a great choice for areas with limited space, such as tight hallways or bathrooms. Picture windows. If you want to bring more natural light into your home and showcase your view, picture windows are an excellent choice. These windows don't open, but they provide large, unobstructed views and are perfect for spaces where ventilation isn't as critical. Security features. Windows play a crucial role in the security of your home. When selecting windows, look for features that enhance safety and security. Multi-point locking systems. Many modern windows come equipped with multi-point locking systems, which provide additional security by locking the window at several points along the frame. Impact-resistant glass. For homeowners in areas that may be prone to storms or high winds, impact-resistant glass offers an added layer of protection against break-ins and severe weather. Budget considerations. Lastly, it's important to consider your budget when selecting windows for your home. While energy-efficient windows may have a higher upfront cost, the long-term savings on energy bills can make them a worthwhile investment. Remember that choosing the right windows can also improve your home's value and curb appeal, which can be beneficial if you decide to sell in the future. Conclusion. Choosing the best windows for your Washington, D.C. home requires careful consideration of your home's style, energy efficiency, materials, and functionality. Whether you're looking for traditional windows that complement a historic home or modern windows that provide energy efficiency and sleek aesthetics, there's a wide variety of options to suit your needs. By understanding the factors that impact window performance and making an informed decision, you can enhance your home's comfort, beauty, and value for years to come.